Good morning, students. Good morning, 11th students. Today, in the next lecture of lesson number 4, up to here, I completed in first lecture for the lesson chemical bonding and molecular structure. I taught you up to very easy way. Up to here, we understood the Lewis dots and its importance and how I showed you for the covalent and ion. Now, in detail, I am showing you what is the octet rule. Okay, students, our next topic is octet rule. So, for the octet rule, electronic theory of chemical bonding. According to this octet theory, atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electrons from one atom to another, gaining or losing, or by sharing of valence electrons in order to have an octet in their valence shell. This is known as octet rule. So, in 2 marks, it can be asked or so by gaining or losing or by sharing of valence electron. If the octet is going to complete, this rule is called the octet rule. Earlier in first lecture, I showed you very detailedly Ca plus 2 by losing and by gaining. They are making this. By losing, by gaining, and they are making this. So this is called covalent bond, and this is called the ionic bond. And for sharing, I taught you this is sharing. This is sharing. Now I am showing you 4.12 covalent bond. Now the scientist Leguminer refined the Lewis postulate. Ahead Lewis, now Legumiller, by abandoning the idea of the stationary cubical arrangement of the octet and the introducing the term covalent bond. Now what is the covalent bond? Okay, I am explaining you with the help of example Cl2. Now you are knowing chlorine 17, Cl, okay, Cl 17. So outermost orbit after completing 10 noble gas neon 2, 2, 2 and 1 with another Cl2, 2, 2. I am showing you valence electron 7. Earlier I taught you group 7. So plus 7 or minus 1. So not gaining 7 but losing minus 1. Okay. So this and this I am showing you with a circle. Okay, with a circle. So 7 plus 1 means by gaining minus 1. So by gaining 1, rather to lose 7 or by gaining 1 electron. So it is easy to gain. So they are completing their octet. This is called octet. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So rather than losing 7, it will gain easily 1 electron. So by gaining this electron, I am showing you with this circle and they are forming this bond. So this in circle, I have showed you 8 electrons. They are completing their octet state. Not losing nor gaining, but sharing in between two atoms. Okay. So by this sharing of electron is called the covalent bond. This bond is called there are two type of chemical bond. There are two type of chemical bond. One I showed you completely losing and gaining. So this is ionic bond and this one is covalent bond. Okay. So this bond is called Cl single bond. Okay. With chlorine I explained to you. Now the dots represent electrons. Such structure are referred to the Lewis dot structure. Already I taught you. Now I am teaching with you another example H2O. Okay. This is in theory. What I am saying, no, this is represented in theory words. Now we are seeing H2O. H2O means water. Okay. See, you are knowing hydrogen 1. Here also hydrogen 1. In between oxygen 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I said you group 6, rather than losing plus 6, it will gain 2 electrons. See, hydrogen and hydrogen, it will share. So hydrogen, it will complete their octet 2, 8. So it will complete their octet 2. In this hydrogen 1, it will share this dot electron, valence electron with oxygen, and it will complete their octet 2. Okay. Now oxygen will share, see, plus 6 minus 2. So it will share 2 electrons, one from here, one from here. So already it is having 6 electrons, and it will share 2 electrons. So this will complete their octet. It will complete their octet by 2, their octet by 2, and by octet 8. So 2 electrons it will share, 2 electrons, 2 electrons and 8 electron. I showed you like that. Okay. So in this way H2O water molecules are going to form. And this refers, is a theory what I am explaining. Now one more example I am teaching you. CCl4. This one, CCl4. See, you can also see CCl4. When you will do organic chemistry, carbon's tetravalency. Carbon is in group 4th. So it can lose or gain. Okay. So CCl4, you are knowing chlorine 17. 2, 2, 2 and 6, 17. Cl. Okay. Cl. 1 electron, valence electron. Here also 1 electron. Carbon plus 4 or minus 4. Here it will, see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, 1, 1, 1 and 1. See, chlorine will complete their octet by this way. 8. This chlorine also complete their octet by 8. This also complete their octet by 8. This chlorine also complete their octet by 8. Okay. Carbon is already having 4. 4 from chlorine it will share, and like that 4 electrons and 4 their own. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will also complete their octet by 8. So in this way I showed you CCl4, C carbon Cl4. Okay. So this is called also covalent, because carbon and chlorine, they are sharing their electrons. Now thus when two atoms share one electron pair, they are said to be joined by a single covalent bond. We have a multiple bonds. See, I taught you multiple bond. What I said you earlier, first group plus 1 minus 7. Again you remind it, plus 2 minus 6 plus 3 minus 5 plus 4 carbon minus 4. Then in fifth group plus 5 minus 3 oxygen plus 6 minus 2 and chlorine plus 7 minus 1. I taught you chlorine's example. Now I am showing you again for the oxygen. See, oxygen and oxygen. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they will complete their octet in this way. Okay, 8. This also complete their octet, sorry. Not here, here I am showing. Okay. So they will complete their octet by sharing of 2 electrons. So here we will represent oxygen like that, O double bond, O2. Okay, like nitrogen, I showed you nitrogen plus 5 or minus 3. So nitrogen outermost valence orbital 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So to 5 they will share 3 electrons like that. So they will complete octet. In this way also they will complete their octet. So one covalent bond, second covalent bond and third covalent bond. It can be represent like that, and okay, by triple bond. So by this is a very simple. Now I am saying you more complicated with CO2. See, I am teaching you CO2. You can also do by your own. Carbon, now you are knowing. Oxygen, see, oxygen 2. So you can write line and C in between. Oxygen 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First of all, you show the Lewis dot. Okay. Now carbon is having 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now oxygen need 2 electrons. So it will share the 2 electrons from carbon and it will share and they will form 2 bonds. I am not showing here. I will show you afterwards. This oxygen also share 2 electrons and complete their octet. 8 and 8. Now this has shared already. It is carbon is having 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 from here, 1, 2 from here. So from here you can show this. Okay, so it will also complete their octet. So it can be represent like that, O C O double bond. So already double bond means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So carbon is going to complete their octet. Okay, 4 here and 4 others. Oxygen will complete their octet. Oxygen will complete their octet. Okay, so this is the structure of CO2. In this way you can show CO O in between double bond. So double bond in CO2 molecule. Now I am explaining you another example, C2H4. C2H4. First of all, what you have to do, C2H4. Simply don't see, but you can see hydrogen 4. So you represent hydrogen 1, 4 and 2 carbon. 1 carbon here, 1 carbon here. Hydrogen, you are knowing outermost orbit valence electron is 1 only, but carbon is having 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, more and I am teaching you. See, C2, H4, H here, H here, H here, H here. This I am cancelling. Okay. See, hydrogen 1, Lewis dot. First of all, you give Lewis dot. Now carbon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What carbon needs? 4 more. So 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 this to this, 1 this to this, 1 this to this, 1 this to this. Sorry. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is and 4 here. So it will complete octet like that. I will show you. And in this way this octet is going to complete. So completely for hydrogen you can show 2 only. For hydrogen only 2. For hydrogen only 2. For hydrogen only 2. And for carbon you need 8. So 2, 2, 2 and 2 and this carbon 8 and this carbon also 8. So sharing of this. So this is double bond. C, double bond C and H single bond, H single bond, H single bond and H single bond. Okay. Now 2 more I am explaining. Already I taught you nitrogen. Okay. Nitrogen 8 electron and triple bond. Now I am teaching you last one, that is C2H2. C2H2. What you have to write? C2 means you have to represent C C, H and H. How you can show? Hydrogen you are knowing one valence electron. Here also hydrogen one valence electron. So one valence electron of carbon, one valence of carbon, it will complete their octet of hydrogen 2. This also complete their octet by 2. But now more 3. So they will share 1, 2 and 3. They will form triple bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one from here, one from here. And this carbon will complete their octet like that. And this carbon will complete their octet like that. Okay. So it will complete their octet 8. So C, triple bond C, H and H. In organic chemistry I will teach you in detail what is this structure. Okay. So up to here I taught you. Now in the next lecture I will show you 4.13 Lewis representation of simple molecules, the Lewis structure. Okay. Please students, practice of this. This is very easy and this is the base and heart of the chemistry. Very easy to understand the outermost valence electron, how they are going to share with by the, I taught you octet rule and the covalent bond only, very simple manner. And you also do the practice in, see, I am going ahead. One more topic I am taking you. Lewis representation of simple molecules, the Lewis structure. The Lewis representation, see H2, I taught you, 2 valence electron, H2, this is called the Lewis representation. O2, I taught you 6 and I showed you to complete the octet, I taught you very clearly. Now O3, I am teaching you how you have to represent O3. Okay, O and O. See, outermost orbit, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 6. One more pair, one more pair, one more pair, one more pair. Now it needs 6, it needs 2, so it will share 2 electrons. 6, it will need 2 electrons, so it will share 2 electrons. It will also share 2 electrons from this side, oxygen. So in this way, this oxygen O3 not will share like that. Okay. See, O3, one side it will share, I taught you here, no? It will share 2. It will share 2. So, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In this manner it will complete the octet. Now here 2 and 2 and 5, and how they showed plus and minus, because they are not sharing 2 to each oxygen. Here it shows 2 electrons, so by double bond. But here it needs 2, 2, 4, 5 and 6. So it is losing here. And 2 and 2 plus sign means losing. So here it is extra. So it is showed by -1. It is having extra. So 2, 4, 6 and 7, and this one in extra. So in this way the Lewis representation. Now next is NF3. NF3. Nitrogen NF3. I will show you NF3. N, F, F, F. See. Nitrogen 3, 1 pair here, 1, 2, fifth group, here 1, here 1, halo group, okay, 7. So it will gain easily 1, 2 and 3. Nitrogen 5. So 1 pair, lone pair is there, and 5 and 1, 2 and 3. 3 by sharing it will complete his octet, and this is sharing this electron with nitrogen, and they will complete their octet, and they will complete their octet. fluorine. For this you show 6. Okay, 1 2 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this one is 7, NF3. Now one more, CO3 minus 2 and HNO3. You practice it, you will surely get. Otherwise I am explaining you more clearly. Now you can do problem 4.1. Write the Lewis dot structure of CO molecule. So CO molecule you can write for carbon 1s2, 2s2 up to carbon. The valence configuration of 2s2, 2p2, and for oxygen 2s2, 2p4. The valence electrons available here are 4 and here 6 are there. So 10. Okay. Now the skeleton structure of CO is written as C and O. Draw a single CO, carbon monoxide. I am showing you CO. Example, see CO, Lewis dot structure. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Carbon 4. C and O. C. Oxygen 1 pair, 2 pair, 4. See, total 10 electrons. 6 of 8 here to complete the octet. Here they showed the wrong, I am thinking 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. They in this way they will complete the octet. This does not complete the octet on carbon, and hence we do not. So we have to restore like that. Oxygen 3 pair, 3 and 4 5. Write the Lewis structure of the nitric ion, NO2 ion. You do, otherwise in next lecture I will solve this. See, up to here you practice it. These are tough one. So tomorrow in the next lecture I will teach you this CO3 minus 2, HNO3, and problem 4.1 and problem 4.2. Today you do the practice up to here I taught you. Please.